the detail of this bag. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cinyunglove. Today I will talk about this Bao Bao bag. The brand is a Issey Miyaki brand, but this kind of bag it's called like a Bao Bao bag. And the size of my bag is a 6 square times 6 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 times 6 square with this strap, this handle, these two handle, and you can adjust the length of the strap. You can make it shorter and make it longer. So it depends on your needs. So I will show you in this video what's inside my bag when I was traveling, and of course more shots in the end of the video. So stay tuned guys. So this bag comes with a white color. I think the color is like a white pearl. It's not very matte, but it's not a very glossy. You can see here. Oh yeah, by the way, so besides you can flip the bag like this. Yeah, this is what I like from it because of this shape. It's very unique to it. So it's not a structure bag, and you can adjust the strap like this. So it comes with two handles, tote bag, this. So you can arrange the length from here. See this? Put it like this. Yeah. Oops, already got mark in here. Oh, no good. Yeah, you can make it shorter. And this one too. And attach it like this. Ta-da! Yeah. So it becomes shorter. So if you guys see from this surface of the bag texture, the material, I don't know what is the name, but it comes like this, a little bit glossy, white pearl color. It is made in Japan. Issey Miyaki, like this. So what I like about the bag is unique bag, yeah. Detail. It's written. I don't know if you can see this. Bao Bao Issey Miyaki. In this side and also this side too. Yeah. You have one zipper pockets coming with the bag like this. It's mentioned Bao Bao Issey Miyaki, and the pattern of it like this, square pattern. And here you go. It's quite deep, yeah. But I use not put anything inside the zipper. So let me show you what is inside my bag. So here you go. I bring my sunglasses. So this is my sunglasses. I put my Michael Kors sunglasses here. It's a very great glasses, and it's affordable. See, ta-da! Yeah, and I just put this to protect the sunglasses from the scratch, and put it inside again. And I bring my mini pochette with me. So this is my mini pochette. I bring my bandage my mini lipsticks. This is in the 216. It's a great lipstick, guys. I like it. And this is the lipsticks I wear from YSL with the number 12. Yeah. And this is a mini perfume. So it's a refillable. See this? That. It's good for traveling. You can bring this with you. And also my nude stick. Lip gloss, of course. My soft lens, water, quick dry. And this, I put it with my body lotion. And I just pump it like this. Yeah, it's great. Like this, guys. What is inside? I bring my wet tissue and this wallet. It's a Japan wallet. Can put money here. It has 2 slots in here and in here. Yeah. And I bring this bag organizer with me. Let's continue this first. And here you go. Inside my bag organizer, I bring this hand sanitizer, my dear wallet, my oil tissue for face, and this for the alcohol swab, panty liners, my pen, AirPod, ta-da! My kirigami, the small size. See this? And my mirror. Yeah, that's all. And this is the chain. Well, let me show you. Yeah, I bought this chain so I can use for my Dior wallet and attach it like this, so I can make it as a bag. See this? Ta-da! Very cute, right? This bag organizer is the 25 centimeters bag, and what I like from this Bao Bao bag is I can fold without worry. It is so flexible, right? Yeah, love it so much. Yeah, this is the shorter one. Yeah. And here is the view of the balcony. So I was staying in Ubud. Maybe some of you guys already know where is Ubud. It's near the mountain and not hot, and there's no beach in Ubud, but I like this resort. It's a Padma Ubud. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoy my video and find it helpful for you guys. So it's a very affordable bag for the tote bag from Issey Miyaki, and it's very durable and no need to very careful when you use this bag. But for this light color, I already have a mark here, so be careful if you have a light color bag, whatever is the bag. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and see you in my next video. Enjoy! Bye!